the whistle from Michael Oliver. Up against Lamine Yamal, who picks his pocket. Oh, wonderful from Yamal. In the middle of the park. Lamine Yamal. Porro again, Doku's with him. There's the pull back. Good save, spell, goal! Fabian Ruiz! And he has scored the breakthrough goal in Los Angeles. Lamine Yamal pushed out by Courtois. Lamine Yamal finds room. Finds the wrong side of the net. But a chance for Belgium to build again. De Bruyne back out to Castagna into Catalan. Belgium equaliser. Charles de Catalan finds a crack in the Spanish armour. Unai Simon finally beaten. Ball inside for De Bruyne, back to Doku, lovely move, chance.
There is a level of fear.
Lamine Yamal. Oh, Courtois managing to get knuckles on it. De Bruyne bringing it down on the turn. Oyarzabal wanting it, pushed inside Oyarzabal. Rodri looking for Cucurella, clever. Kubasi taking aim. Oh, spilled by Lemons and buried. It's that man again. Mikel Merino climbing off the bench once again. Jeremy Doku, good ball. They could be in here. Unai Simon committed. Lukaku was waiting. And that is it. Belgium are out. Spain are heading to Dallas to take on France. And what a semi-final that is going to be.